In this tutorial, you will see how to allow end users to install the JumpCloud Agent and add the device to your JumpCloud organization. This method can only be done if you do not have allow users to enroll devices into Windows MDM through the user portal enabled on the Windows MDM page. Enrolling devices in Windows MDM is the recommended method. When users enroll their devices in Windows MDM, the JumpCloud Agent will automatically be installed. To learn more about using Windows MDM, check out this tutorial video. To allow end users to install the JumpCloud Agent, you must enable that option in the admin portal. Within your JumpCloud admin account, go to Settings in the lower left, scroll down to User Portal Settings. Here you will need to check the box for Allow all users to enroll devices through the user portal, then hit the Save button. Now your users will have the option to install the JumpCloud Agent from the user portal. Once logged into the user portal, users will find the installer on the Security tab under JumpCloud Agent. Users will simply select their operating system, generate and copy their Connect key, then download the agent. Once the agent is downloaded, users will follow the prompts for installation, during which they'll be asked for the Connect key. Note: users will need administrator privileges on their local device to successfully complete the installation. After successful installation, the new device will appear in the admin console. Navigate to Devices in the left-hand menu and go to the Devices tab. You will see the new device in the device list, and there will be a notification stating the device has not been bound to users. And that's it. For more information, check out our Help Center articles.